Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which links to remove and positioning the watch face down. This protects the crystal. Use the block to support the band under an arrowed link, then align a pin pusher with the arrow. Press and tap gently. Why? Because pushing with controlled taps avoids bending pins. Once the pin moves, use pliers to pull it out the rest of the way. Make sure to keep removed pins and spare links in a small tray so nothing gets lost. Now you remove links to achieve balance. Pick the same number from both sides of the clasp so the watch sits centered on your wrist. After pushing out the pin, slide the link free and set it aside with its matching pin. If pins are stubborn, reverse the direction and try the opposite end or use a thinner pusher tip. This reduces friction. Once you've removed the intended links, rejoin the band roughly to check fit. Adjust by one link if the clasp feels off-center. To finish, line up the link holes precisely. This is crucial to prevent cross-threading or misalignment. Insert the pin from the non-arrow side and push it through until snug, then use light, controlled hammer taps on the pusher to seat it flush. Make sure the link moves naturally but without play. Excessive wobble means the pin isn't fully seated. If something goes wrong, like a stuck pin, stop and try reversing the pusher or apply a tiny drop of penetrating oil.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.